Hello and welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to remove the front bumper. It's pretty easy if you have done it already a couple of times. I've done it, I think, 20 times plus. So you can remove it in about 5 to 10 minutes. On a lift like I have, it's much easier because you have to remove the front wheels and you have to do some stuff from below. It's possible on the ground as well. If you use some ramps or just a car jack, that's possible as well. If you have a lift, it's just much easier. So I'm gonna show you real quick what bolts and connectors you have to remove, and you can do it yourself at home for, I don't know what, maybe upgrade the horn or whatever you like to do, but it's pretty easy to remove it. So let's go. The first thing you need to do is remove these two plugs. They are just clipped in like this. They are pretty easy to remove. Just like this. After that, you have to remove these two bolts. And the last thing you need to do from top is this one right here. That's the connector for the radar. So you have to just push this out. And that's it. That's everything you need to do from above. So now we're gonna move the car or lift the car up to remove the wheels. After you remove the wheel, you need to loosen these two. They are also just clipped in. When you've finished with that, you have one bolt up here. You can see it right here with the blue plastic thing under it. That's a tricky one, keep that in mind. So we're gonna loosen it just a bit. Don't remove the bolt completely, then you can just take it out. You can see it has a very odd and very specific shape. I just lay that to the side exactly like this, so I remember how I need to put it back in. And then we're going down here. I don't know if you can see it. Wait, one moment. In here we have the plug for the fog lights. You just unplug them. And the same goes for the other side. The same on this side with these two right here. Just like this, and the fog light as well. After we've done this, we have the last bolt, like on the other side. The one up here. This one's not blue, this one's, I think, yellow-ish. Also the same odd shape. Now let's check what you have to do from below. Down here you have to remove a couple of bolts. There's 1, 2, this one, there's these 4, then the same on the other side. So let's just remove them real quick. I just forgot 2 more bolts. They are here at the very end of it. So after you've loosened all of these, the front bumper is loose. Now I lower the car back down and remove it. When everything is loosened, I just make a quick check. Yep, everything's loose. Now it's just clipped in right around here. So you just use a little bit of force. Same goes for the other side. And that's it. And this is how the car looks without the front bumper. As you have seen, it took me, I think, 10 minutes tops, including the explanation and the video. So you can just remove it in under 10 minutes if you have done it already. It's pretty easy to do. So yeah, that's basically it. If you want to see anything else, how to do stuff at the GR Yaris, just let me know and I'll make a quick video about it. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Good to have you here. See you next time. Goodbye.